Welcome to Colmar. France is known for its outstanding Christmas markets, and this Alsatian town is just about out of a fairy tale. Colmar is already a magical destination year-round, but pair that with the winter holidays and you are in for a major treat. Let's dive into this mini tour of Colmar's Christmas markets. Getting off at the train station, your eyes will be led into town by glimmering Christmas trees, each one just as gorgeous as the next. Beautiful! I'd recommend starting off in the early afternoon and staying until evening so you can get the full display of the town's twinkling lights both day and nighttime. There are 6 different areas of Christmas market magic in Colmar. Located surrounding the beautiful church, this market hosts an array of stalls with vendors selling everything from ornaments to delicious homemade jams. Take your time as you begin wandering through the magical stalls set in such a beautiful atmosphere. As you wander from market to market, your eyes will be delighted by holiday displays nearly at every turn. As you wander down the rows of vendors, make your way towards one of the most iconic and photographed areas of Colmar, which is Little Venice. The river is adorned with half-timbered houses topped with festive decorations like polar bears on sleighs. While it's sure to be crowded here, it is a stunning area worthy of grabbing a photo and taking in the magic of this fairy tale-like setting. It's one of my favorite spots in all of France. With a magical pep in your step, you'll soon stumble into the hustle and bustle of the old city. I'm sure your hands are getting cold by now, so it's time to grab a cup of hot mulled apple cider or wine and browse through some of the stalls for the perfect gift to take home. If your stomach is grumbling, pop on over for a unique bite to eat at the gourmet market. Inside of this giant tent, you'll be treated to sights and smells of local delicacies being prepared by chefs of all ages. Surrounding the chefs are food stalls with plenty of warm choices to eat. How fitting that the Christmas trees are decorated with pretzels here. Around the corner is a Ferris wheel and stalls to refill on your hot mulled drink of choice. In 2025, Colmar's Christmas markets will be open from Tuesday, the 25th of November to Monday, the 29th of December, although the Ferris wheel will stay open for a few days longer. If you're watching this video in the future, check the description box for updated times and dates. With all the holiday magic in the air, you cannot miss visiting Strasbourg. Only 30 minutes away via train from Colmar, it's coined as France's capital of Christmas for a reason. My mini tour of Strasbourg is linked above and below for you to watch. Once night falls, which in winter we all know is quite early, head back into the center of town to see the streets filled with color and twinkling lights that can warm up even the coldest of evenings. You'll pay a deposit for your cup and can choose to return it for money back or keep it as a souvenir from your trip. This is one of my favorite things to do at European Christmas markets. Thanks so much for joining me in Colmar today. I hope you indulge in all of the festivities this season, and don't miss my Christmas market playlist at the end for all of the best holiday magic in Europe and the UK. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!